Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect Cloud Code to Openrouter. Openrouter lets you use Cloud Code with models router throughout Openrouter instead of connecting directly to Anthropic. This gives you access to multiple AI models, centralized billings, users tracking, and provide failover throughout a single API. This is how you can do it. So the first thing that you need to do is to install Cloud Code. This is the command that you need to run on WSL on macOS or Linux, or this is the one that you need to run on Windows so you can run it. So just go ahead and open your PowerShell. Here we go, and paste it in there, and Cloud AI should be installing immediately, as you will be seeing here. So just give it a few seconds, and it should be running. Now, once you did that, connect Cloud to Openrouter. Instead of logging in with Anthropic directly, connect Cloud Code to Openrouter. So requirement: use this URL for the base URL. Provide your Openrouter API key as the authentication token. And important, explicit blank out the Anthropic API key to prevent conflicts. So this is the shell profile. Add this environment variable to your shell profile, as you will be seeing. So it can add it to the PowerShell. And let's replace everything with the API key here API key, and here the API key. Then clear any cached Anthropic login. And then you can start your system simply by writing down these two and verify if everything is good. So you can confirm your connection by running the /status command inside Cloud Code. So go to Claude here and run this command. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also check the Openrouter activity dashboard to see your request appearing in real time. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, leave us a beautiful comment. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.